Buongiorno amici, hi guys, and welcome to a very beautiful area of Roma. We are in the quartiere Ebraico of Roma, near Trastevere. This is a very nice place when you want to come, for example, for lunch or dinner and have some good food, because here there are a lot of nice restaurants where to eat, but also a lot of history here in the middle of quartiere Ebraico. Look at this, guys. And here the many osteria and restaurants typical of Roma. So the typical food of Roma, it's here more than in Trastevere, because here it's yes, it's okay, it's touristic, but not like in Trastevere. So the restaurants, the quality of the food, it's much higher than in Trastevere, and also the prices are more affordable. Look here, they are preparing some artichokes, the typical food of the winter of Roma. Sì, vediamo. Mangiamo qui, da pagare. So you see here all the restaurants, they have artichokes, and then you can have antipasti for 5 euro, primi piatti, carbonara or matriciana for 14 euros. So these are the prices to have lunch here in the quartiere Ebraico. Look. So the restaurants are many. As you can see, the quality of the food is more or less the same in all these restaurants, and then the atmosphere, it's magic. You are in Roma and you eat on the street. The weather is good, so even now in winter time a lot of restaurants, they serve the food outside.
It doesn't clean that.
No, no. Wow, they are so beautiful, the osteria. Here guys, look at this kosher bistro, bar ghetto, osteria ghetto, many nice places. And look here, l'Arte del Pane, it's an old bakery shop here in the same area. So you can also go inside, buy some bread. Andiamo a quelli a Bar Ghetto, no? For example, here they have for 30 euro a menu alla romana. It's artichokes, pasta, for example cacio e pepe, gricia o matriciana, saltimbocca alla romana, and potatoes for 30 euros.
No, io sto andando aperto. Niente.
So guys, let's try this La Taverna del Ghetto. We have a table outside here. In the middle of the street food and the restaurants here in the ghetto. And here in the ghetto Ebraico, from the main street you can walk and to arrive to the synagoga, la sinagoga of Roma. So let's go there and I can show you also this typical part of the area of Ghetto Ebraico. So everything, as you can see, it's at a walking distance. Over there where there are all these cars going, it's the Tevere and the Lungo Tevere, and from the other side of the Lungo Tevere there is the area of Trastevere, and here guys the synagogue. And guys, here we have the first plates, the hummus with the falafel, the meatballs for Leonardo, the pasta mezza manica sugo, and here the tris di frittura for Teresa. So let's start. And the atmosphere, magic atmosphere, also with the live music here on the street. Look, here we have the guys playing, and we are in this taverna del ghetto. So these guys during lunch or dinner, they go around and play some music. And here we have the plate of Teresa. Look at this, guys. Rice with artichokes and crispy artichokes on top. Very tasty. And also my pasta arrived, guys. Pasta alla gricia with artichokes and crispy artichokes and guanciale. Very nice. Okay. And guys, the tiramisu for €6. This is the tiramisu you get here in the restaurant. At the end, guys, we paid €85. So the food was very tasty and good and typical homemade here in the kitchen of the restaurant. Very tasty. So the price is good. The same plates more or less yesterday evening we paid €95 and we were in Quartiere Monti. So here it's a little bit less touristic. The quality of the food is much better and you pay a bit less compared to other places. And remember, you are near Trastevere, so from Trastevere to here it's about 2 minutes, but much better to come and have your food here because it's more original and more tasty and a bit cheaper. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much and ci vediamo presto.